day 13 of trek. We are in Dole, which is 4,000 meters above sea level. It's pretty cold here, not as cold as Gokyo, but still cold. So today we are going to Namche Bazaar. It's probably going to take 5 to 6 hours of walk from here. We had a good night's sleep yesterday. Another one day trek to go, and this epic EBC Gokyo trek is finished. So we can see, so Namche is 6 hours from here. So we have started towards Namche Bazaar. Now this stretch between Dole and Namche Bazaar can have some wildlife, especially Himalayan monal and some deer. वहाँ दो बर्ड्स वो So this Gokyo route has more rhododendron flowers than your regular EBC route. It's still not season. So after walking for about 1.5 hours, we have reached Fort Se Tanga. So another maybe 4 hours to go to reach Namche Bazaar. So that is Fort Se. The background we can see Ahmedabad, Tengbuche, and in the distance Deboche, where we stayed. So we have been ascending from Fort Se Tangna for the last 1 hour. Not easy ascent. I think still another 15-20 minutes of ascent is left. So we have been walking for last 2 hours from Fort Se Tangna. It was a steep ascent, tiring, and now we have reached top of the hill. So we'll take some rest here, and then from here it should be easy towards Namche Bazaar. So this place is called Mongla. So we'll take a short break here. Yeah. So from Mongla, which was on the hilltop, so almost 1 hour we have done the ridge walk, and from here we have stairs, and we'll follow these stairs and reach Namche Bazaar. So finally, after 10 days, we have reached back to the point. 10 days back, we took this path, reached the EBC, crossed the Chola Pass, went to Gokyo. Now all the way we have come back. So we have completed the EBC Chola Pass Gokyo circuit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ditto.
Final view of Everest and Ahmadabalam as we are returning to Namche Bazaar. So finally, after almost 5.5 hours of hike from Dole, we have reached Namche Bazaar. It was a tiring walk and we are hungry. We'll go to our Khumbu lodge and have lunch.